Hello kids. Today we are going to study about biotic and abiotic components of environment. We will also discuss what environment is. Kids. Environment refers to the surroundings or conditions in which a living organism lives. It has two components: biotic components and abiotic components. Biotic components of the environment are the living organisms that inhabit an ecosystem. These can include plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and other microorganisms. Do you know that biotic factors interact with each other and with abiotic factors to shape the ecosystem? And abiotic components are the non-living factors in an ecosystem. These include physical and chemical factors such as temperature, water, sunlight, soil composition, air, humidity, and minerals. Do you know abiotic factors can directly affect the growth and survival of organisms? In this picture you can see that biotic components are fungi, plants, animals, and bacteria, while abiotic components are water, soil, air, light, temperature, and minerals. Hope you liked today's video. Please do like and subscribe my channel.